All right, guys, coming back at you, YouTube. We're gonna shoot a video of this product called the Force of Nature Ground Bison. They've been doing a lot of advertisement. This has been like hot items to talk about right now. So we're gonna try it out and see if it's what they say the hype is. So we're gonna make some homemade chili. We get this bison meat from Force of Nature. We got our Bush's grilling beans that we're gonna put into the chili. And we're gonna add our little bit of ginger and garlic, a little bit, it looks like a lot. And we also got some organic beans here, some kidney beans that we might put in there. I don't think so, but check them out. And then of course some sea salt. So let's get this thing going on here. Let's try this stuff out here. Let's cut it open.
It has 23 grams of protein.
Yeah, man,
That's a lot of protein.
And this is not even a pound. So let's see what we got. I can tell right now, immediately it's very lean. Very, very lean. Because you don't have a lot of white in it. Now the pack is a pain in the butt. There we go. And of course dispose of it in the fire. Rinse off the old hand. Get your trusty spoon. Get your grill going here. Yeah, immediately the smell, I can smell that bison. It has a very strong, rich, and oil. Gotta have some oil, just a little bit. I recommend using.
Get mine oil.
Where's it at? All right, this is some really good oil right here. She just open out, turn back up. What is that, Kalamata oil?
It's extra virgin from Greece.
Is it Kalamata?
No.
Oh, olive oil.
Yeah.
I thought it was Kalamata olives.
No, it's a different brand.
Oh. Now this meat is so lean, guys, you had to add some oil because it's just so lean. And it's bison. A whole lot leaner meat.
And we paid like $15 for a pack. And
yeah,
we'll see how is it worth it?
Again, guys, for your chili, you can throw anything. I don't normally add any spices to the meat until it's brown. So I'll add the garlic and ginger once this is turning brown and that oil is absorbed into the meat. And this gas burns so fast. That's the one thing I like about gas, guys. It cooks so fast. Electric takes forever. Gas burns instantly. Okay, let's add in our ginger. This is raw ginger and raw garlic. We're gonna add this into the meat. It's starting to get brown now, so we're gonna add it. And if you can get your hands on some turmeric with that ginger and that garlic, it's so good for you. Boost the immune system, it gives it a shock is what it does. Yeah, it's browning really fast because it's so lean. You're gonna have to put oil in here, guys. No way around it. Okay. Get all that ginger and garlic mixed in the meat, and it's going to shrink. The meat will shrink and the onions and ginger will dissolve. If you can notice the background over there, guys, we got a fire going. We got deer that run through here all day and all night. This is a huge, vast place, and there's all kinds of raccoons and deer that run through here. If you're a deer hunter, don't come here, because they'll take you away in handcuffs. So peaceful this weekend. It's Halloween weekend, and there's gonna be a lot of kids, a lot of trick-or-treaters coming out. This place is gonna be packed. You can smell that aroma. Man, it smells so good with that garlic and ginger. So if this was greasy meat, you'd have that thing full of grease, but you don't. It's just the olive oil that I put in there. And then we're gonna pour in some chili beans here in just a second. Let all that flavor just kind of marinate. Now, I normally cook a lot of Wagyu, and I mean a lot of Wagyu, but I heard a lot of hype on this bison meat, force of nature, and I just had to give it a try, man. So what better way to try it than to make some chili? Because that's what I did with the Wagyu. I made chili. I'm a big chili guy. I love chili.
Especially when you go camping.
Oh yeah, it's a staple food for camping, chili. All right, I think we're just getting real close to the beans being added. Get the fire over there blazing. I can feel the heat from here. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, sea salt. All right, now we're going to add the beans.
What kind of beans are these?
These are bushes. These are chili. Actually, I think they're called grilling beans. Yeah, they're called grilling beans. Bushes of grilling beans. I've had these before. They're very good. I don't like those beans with all those big old chunks of tomatoes, and I don't like all that. This is the bourbon and honey. Oh yeah, man. And you might have to add some water to it. Now I'm putting 2 cans in here. That's an awful lot of beans. Make sure you don't stand next to the bonfire at nighttime when you give gas. Light you on fire. Oh yeah.
That's a lot of chili.
It is. Okay, we're about to give it a taste test here. Let's try this out now. See if it's what they say it is. That is very good, guys. Very, very good.
What do you
Very
think about
lean.
the bison?
Oh, it's very, very rich. Very rich. All right, guys, so the moment of truth. All this work, all this seasoning, all this flavor, you know, it is good. But I gotta be honest, Wagyu is 4 times better. I dare you, challenge you, buy this product and then buy Wagyu beef and see for yourself. This also has a little bit of gamey smell to it. Wagyu does not have any gamey smell at all whatsoever. Zero. This does. And a little gamey flavor to it too. It's lean. That's just my opinion, guys. By the way, do me a favor, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, Crave the Taste, boys and girls. And hopefully we can shoot more content so you guys can get our opinion on the products that we choose or what we cook. Take a look at this fireplace over here. How cool is that? To be outdoors cooking chili, homemade chili, with bison meat and beans and flavor and garlic and ginger. It's just a beautiful thing. Make sure you like, subscribe to us, and we'll see you next time, guys. See ya.